What's good? It's alright. It's okay. In a good way. In a good way. It's all good. In a good way. It's alright. In a good way. In a good way. In a good way. Hey.
Chopper. Yeah. Alright, we can start. Alright. Professor, which one? Yang mana satu kali? Are you sure that one? Yeah. That's the pretty lady behind there. Wah, yang ni tak bela langsung, perfect. Wow, Casper, you are very cheeky, you nakal, ya. Wow, look at it. Even after telling her cheeky, you nakal, you still laughing, yeah? Do you know the girl already have a husband, and the husband is very angry. He's going to come down and beat on your face. Wow, now you're scared. Now you are crying, but don't worry. And guess what? Because the husband actually is a bird in the verse, so he won't do anything to you. How do you feel right now? Alright, there you go. And for your information too, actually Casper can also imitate animal sound.